Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook quail eggs with green peas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 12 to 18 fresh quail eggs and 1 cup of vibrant green peas. Don't forget essentials like a tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Having fresh herbs, perhaps a sprig of parsley or chives, will elevate your dish. Make sure your small saucepan and skillet are clean and ready for action. Now let's get those delicate quail eggs perfectly cooked. Carefully place your 12 to 18 eggs into a small saucepan, ensuring they are covered by about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then promptly take the pan off the heat and cover it. For a lovely soft-boiled yolk, let them sit for 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, allow 4 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process and simplify peeling. Next, we'll prepare our vibrant green peas. In a skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat until it begins to shimmer. Add your 1 cup of fresh or frozen green peas to the hot skillet. Sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender, crisp, and bright green. You want them cooked through but still retaining a slight bite. Finish by seasoning them with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance their natural sweetness. Finally, it's time to bring everything together and enjoy your delicious creation. Gently peel the cooled quail eggs. Their small size makes them a bit delicate, so take your time. Once peeled, you can have them for a beautiful presentation. Arrange your perfectly sautéed green peas on a serving dish, creating a vibrant green bed. Carefully place the halved quail eggs on top of the peas. For a final touch, garnish with your chosen fresh herbs like parsley or chives, and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.